Alright, guys. Jesus, the cold is too much. Guys, I'm in the village. Yeah. I'm in the village and the cold is something else. The cold is something else. Oh my god. Let me show you guys around. I'm entering inside the bush now. Guys. God. Guys, the cold here is something else. I'm telling you. The cold is something else. Guys, the cold is too much. Jesus. It's too much. Jesus. Guys, that's my father. Good morning. Yes, I know. That's my mother down there. Hey, Jim. What will be hard to tell you? Ano, block kan din biya. Hancha biya. No so fine kini. Na be ha. But good morning. Mbake ku catapult. Hey, God. Oh, baby. Yes, sir. Oh, sir. Let me say hi. Guys, it's farm work, farm work, farm work. This Christmas is screaming farm work, farm work. There will be a lot of work for me, like a lot of work, a lot of glasses to cut and all that. So, you know, Mrs. Service was asking me the other day, are you not in the village? Are you not in the village? Yes, I live in the village, but how will I put it? Like, here is my own village, and the other side is other people's village, but we are staying there. You get? So here is my own village. Here's my maternal village, and it's also the same thing as my maternal village. You get? So that is it. And that is my mother. Guys, you push up the TV, I have a lot of work to do. So much work. Nah, so don't get tomorrow, my soon game. Tomorrow, my soon game. Hey, I will believe you. I will believe you. I will believe you, pa. Hey, you make it. Okay, game, man. What am I again? Hey, I will believe you. Oh, pa. Yes, so. But my was watching it now. I'm never going. Hey. Guys, that's my uncle. Let me just say hi to my fans. Hi, people with you guys. Good morning. How are you? How are you feeling the cold in the village? How are you feeling the cold in the village? Hey, yeah, guys, in my house, my house. Let's go around. Let me see my face again. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. I get a bottle of milk.